Hello guys, welcome to another one of my videos. Today I'm preparing a recipe on how to prepare Samolina cake. And for you to do that, you need to start off by preparing a syrup, which I'm going to use water that you're seeing on the video. I'm going to add in some sugar, and I'm going to also add some lemon juice to that. And once this heats up and it's totally dissolved, I'm going to set it aside and let it cool down so that I can start off on the cake mixing process. For that to happen, I'm going to need a mixing bowl. I'm going to add in 1 piece of egg. I'm going to add in sugar. I'm also going to add in cooking oil and yogurt. After which I'm going to give this a good mix by using my hand mixer. And after that, I'm going to add in my Samolina flour. I'm going to mix that in, followed by some desiccated coconut, some baking powder, and also some vanilla essence. Once mixing all this in, I'm going to also add a little milk to this, just to help in to build that consistency on the butter. Then after that, on an aligned baking tin, I'm going to pour in my mixture, and I'm going to bake this in the oven. Once the baking is done, I'm going to let the cake cool off, after which I'm going to add in my syrup from, as you can see on the video, and also sprinkle some desiccated coconut on it, and serve.